A warm welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. Mwakwaba ebe dwumadi a wato ne din wonu Opoku nsua twi no so. We are continuing our lesson on twi conjunctions. And if you may ask what a conjunction is, a conjunction in English is a word that is used to connect clauses and phrases, or a word that is used to coordinate words in the same clause. Good. In Twi too, we have words that are used to coordinate sentences or coordinate words in the same clause. But before we start, let me read this passage, and then after that, we'll treat the conjunctions in it. Good. And this is the passage. It goes like this. Ghanaians believe that a stranger is more vulnerable. That is why they put their interest above natives. They try to be nice to strangers because they know that they too can be strangers elsewhere. But if a stranger abuses those courtesies, they will not take it kind with him. Because of that, I don't hide the fact from my foreign friends. On the contrary, I advise them not to abuse the courtesies that are extended to them. Good, that is the passage. What are the conjunctions that are found in this passage? Can you help me to identify them? Well, first we see that is why. We also see because, and we see to, followed by but if. We'll treat but and then we'll join it with what? If. We also find because of that. And finally, we see on the contrary. On the contrary. Good. What are the meanings of these conjunctions as far as Twi is concerned? Good. It says that Ghanaians believe that strangers are more vulnerable. That is why they put their interests above natives. That is why. In Twi we will say Asante. Asante. It means what? That is why. Asante. For instance, we can say he doesn't want to go to farm. That is why he came late. In Twi we will say Ompeso obekwafu. Asante. Oba late. And I say Asante wa mantem. He doesn't want to go to farm. That is why he came late. Ompeso obekwafu. Asante wa mantem. Asante. That is why. Good. And then in the passage we see because. In Twi we will say efri se. Efri se. And that is what? Because. Efri se. Because. Why did you not come to school yesterday? You can reply, because I was sick. Adenti na wa masuku enra. Then you can reply, efri se na me yare. Efri se na me yare. Because I was sick. Efri se. Efri se. Because. Good. And then in the passage we see to. They too. They too. To in Twi we will say nso. 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 Wanso nimse. Obetimi ayahoho ewo baabi. Wanso nimse. Obetimi ayahoho ewo baabi. they too know that they could be strangers elsewhere. Wonso, nso, nso, nso. So nso means what? Two. However, nso could also mean but. But. We have a key word for but. However, sometimes we can also use nso to mean what? But. For instance, we can say, he doesn't learn, but he passes his exams. Onsua die, nso opase ne nsɔhwɛ. He doesn't learn, but he passes his exams. Onsua die, nso opase ne nsɔhwɛ. So here you see, nso is being used to mean what? But. But in most cases, nso is used to mean two. Good. So in all, what have we learned? We have learned that in Twi, when we say nesanti, it means that is why. And when we say efrise, then it means because. Efrise, because. Nso means two or but. Nso means what? Two or but. Good. If you're a Twi speaker and you want to learn English, I think this lesson 2 will help you to be able to what? Know how to say certain things in English. So this lesson is somehow a two-word sword. Cast there and cast here too. Good. So if you want to learn Twi, this is the best lesson for you. And if you want to learn English too, this can help you. Thanks for listening. And if you really enjoy this lesson and you want to be informed anytime I make new videos, kindly subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, please pass a comment and let me know how you feel about this lesson. Your comments help me a lot to plan my lessons. Once again, thank you.